Well, we at the Global Impact Investing Network think it's absolutely critical for investors, including institutional investors, to think about how they can integrate impact and the Sustainable Development Goals throughout the investment process. So starting from setting upfront goals and targets, all the way through to picking out which metrics they're going to use to track their progress against those goals. And then of course, figuring out how they're performing to manage towards even greater performance. We hope that institutional investors view this as an opportunity for a race to the top. How can they use their assets, their investments, and the companies they work with to drive the greatest impact and progress on the SDGs? Well, one of the things that I think is so exciting, that's on the horizon for 2019, is that we at the Global Impact Investing Network anticipate a lot more interest from institutional investors. We've seen a huge uptick in interest from leading institutions, pension funds, insurance companies, endowments all around the world, and that interest is moving up the org chart. So we're hearing it from the CEOs and CIOs who are thinking about impact investing at a strategic level. I expect that this year we'll start to see some of that kind of activity come online, which will mean that there's a lot of great capital, energy, and human capital that will be coming into the impact investing market. I think the most important thing for impact investing to become the new normal is leadership. We have the data, we have resources, we have tools, we have examples of great investors, leading institutions from every sector of the financial services world who are already active. But to take this from an exciting, emerging segment of the market, over the tipping point to the new normal, it's important for investors to see themselves in a place of leadership. We have to show the world a better way to invest. And at the Impact Summit, I think that type of leadership is on display. I really appreciate coming to the Impact Summit because there's such a great focus on trying to highlight the work that leading impact investors are doing and to push our collective thinking on how we all can be part of the solution to building a more sustainable financial market.